Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by identifying the TV's network menu and collecting the DNS IPs you'll use. This matters because TVs need a correct resolver to reach services. Once done, connect the TV to your router via Ethernet or Wi-Fi and confirm internet access. Make sure you can open the network status screen and that you have the admin credentials if required. Now proceed to set a static or manual DNS entry, so the TV uses the new addresses rather than the ISP defaults. You navigate to Settings, then Network, and locate IP or DNS settings, because this is where you override ISP defaults. Change DNS from automatic to manual, then type the primary DNS followed by the secondary. Accuracy is crucial since a typo breaks name resolution. After saving, either restart the TV or toggle the network connection to force a refresh. If your TV uses DHCP-only controls, instead set DNS on the router for the TV's IP or reserve a static lease so the manual DNS persists. You finish by verifying name resolution. Open streaming apps or use the TV's network test to confirm DNS is resolving. If services fail, reboot the router and TV, then re-enter the DNS values slowly to avoid typos. Clearing app cache can help because stale DNS results persist. If the TV ignores manual DNS, configure the router's DHCP DNS for the TV's MAC address or use an alternative public DNS like 1.1.1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.